In this video, I will show you how to fund your virtual card in Cameroon with your mobile money account. This is very easy. If you find this video helpful to you, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So Paysika is a payment platform in Cameroon that I love using. I've been using it for a while right now. And as you can see on my screen, these are my various transactions with them. And honestly, till today, I've never really had an issue with them. They are very good. The exchange rate is totally good. Now, if you don't have a Paysika account, in the description of this video, I attach a link there that's going to help you download and create a virtual card or bank account with Paysika. So just go through it right now and create your Paysika account. Once you've done it, this is how you deposit money to your card. So to deposit money to your card using your mobile money, the first thing you have to do is to deposit money to your Paysika account. And this is how you deposit money to your Paysika account. Click on the deposit button there and then choose your mobile money option. So I'll choose my mobile money number, and the minimum amount you can deposit is 100 francs. But for the sake of this video, I'll go with 1,000 francs. And the good news is that the Paysika deposit fee is totally free. So once you've done that, just click on next, and then they're going to ask you to confirm, which I'm going to confirm the amount of money right now for my mobile money code that will be sent to my number. So when you confirm, the money is going to reflect here on your total balance. All right, here's the amount of money I just deposited, 1,000 francs. So after depositing like this is how you transfer the money to your bank, to your card. So you come over to your card over here and you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, now you go to your Paysika account where I have my 1,000 there. So I'm just going to write 1,000 here. So when you click on 1,000, you see I'm subtracting 1,000 from my Paysika account to my virtual card, and I just click on next, and it has successfully transferred. So I funded now my card using mobile money, and it's so easy. So you can see my virtual card balance right now is 1,028. So that's how to fund your virtual card with Paysika using mobile money.